Hi friends, Linda Peterson here. Doing something a little different today. I was approached by Journalsay. It is a journaling supply company. So if you do art journals or even scrapbooking, they have a lot of supplies there. And they approached me and asked if I would use some of their products and give an honest review. They did not pay me to do this, but they did supply me with all of these goodies, and I am opening that box with you today. So I have no idea what these are going to look like. They have tons of things on their website. It was kind of hard to choose some things, but it was really sweet of them to reach out to me and ask me to do that. And this is just a thank you for my purchase, but also just gratitude for using their products and showing them on YouTube. And so that's very nice. Cute little sticker here. So nice packaging so far for sure. And so these are the things that I got. So fun. So I got some of these giant, they look like tags, tag shape, but they are stenciling, used for stencils. And so I got these patterns. Hoping you can see that. Put this glue down so you can see a little bit better. I don't know if that's helping or not. This one, and these are all very fun. They seem to be good material. They're very flexible, which is nice, so they won't break easily. I got a wood grain here. That's kind of cool. It looks like a sort of snakeskin sort of. Fun squarish shapes, and oh, these fun diamonds. I like that they're interrupted there. That's kind of fun. All right, so those, got those, and it comes with this little ring too to put them together so you can hang on to them. That's really handy, like that. So those are good. And I got this other set. And they do come in sets, or you can just buy one if you just like the one pattern. You don't have to buy all of them, which I thought was pretty cool. Here's sort of a brick pattern, sort of a waffly square pattern, more pebbly, a more uniform brick pattern. This is kind of fun. It looks like splattered paint, and sort of a cheetah print. And a wavy square pattern, and just some dots, which is very good. Like that so far. Let's see what else we got here. I got a bunch of washi tapes for my grid journaling. I really like using tapes on there. It's really quick to add a little texture and a little something. And I like these because they're look like old newspaper, and it looks like it's in French. And I think that's pretty cool. Comes in this nice, it's really thick. It's probably about 3 inches. And let's see about the tackiness of this. Yeah, just like a regular washi tape, not too tacky. Very good. Thin too, so if you wanted to use gel medium with that, that would be nice. I got this little book. I thought it was really cute. It says an antique magic bookshop. Oh, there's 2 of them in here. Cute. But there's these tiny little books. The Book of Magic. And how cute would this be to just do little tiny little paintings in there, or a little journaling in there? That's really fun. That's really cute. I like many things. Got some more washi tape. This is Rising Sun, and it comes, wow, look at those beautiful pastel colors. Love that. Really love that. All right, and then got some pens. They have everything on the shop. It's really fun. I like these sort of sherbet kind of colors. These are highlighters, and those will be fun with the journaling and doing those little booklets that I've been doing, the little zines that I've been doing. And those would be fun in there. These are great fun colors. There's another washi tape that's just these tiny little circles. And I'm not going to open every one of these, but little circles there. And here's another one that's, let's see. I'd like to open this up a little bit. Maybe not. Won't take too much time, but this looks like a ledger, and I think it's really fun. So again, washi tape, nice and thick. This is like almost 2 inches, and I got some that have just some words on it, and looks like a diagram, and it's in cursive, and it doesn't look like it's in English, which I love. That's really cool. And another one that had some diagrams and just like some notes. It looked like maybe like a field notebook or something, which I thought was very cool. It looks kind of like that. I'm hoping this is catching on film here. And another one, again, another ledger. I really like these kind of just neutral tones to put in with bright colors in my grid journal. This one is another, I don't recall getting all of these, isn't that funny? Another ledger, and this one is more of like legal paper. It looks a little yellow, and it looks like it's grid paper and almost like a legal pad, which is cool. And another grid paper, and this one is kind of a lavender color. Pretty. All right, and what is this? A glue pen. Cool. Oh, look at that. That's fun. I have to do that to get it to go, but that's gonna be fun. Easy to use. All right, and this is, I'm not even sure what this is. Sponge seal. I don't know what this is. No idea. I ordered these quite a while ago before. Oh, it is, silly me. It's a stamp. So this is, looks like sort of just a splatter of ink or something, which was kind of fun. These are kind of neat material. They're spongy. This is rubber. Easy to handle. I'll be doing a demo on using some of these products a little later, but at least I just wanted to open the box with you because it's like Christmas, right? Just my Christmas after Christmas. So there's that one, and then this is another sponge that is a journal with some numbers, and it says, "Let life be beautiful." Oh, that's sweet. I forget what it says. It says, "Let life be beautiful like summer flowers and death like autumn leaves." That's kind of a strange thing, but whatever. Let's see what else. I got another one. This is just a kind of a dotted print, kind of grungy, which is really cool. I like that. That'll be fun to use. It'll be interesting to see how these work with paints rather than inks, because I don't, I guess I do have some ink pads, but I want to use them with paint and see how that works. So I will do that in another video. Here's another one that's sort of, looks like it's a ticket, like an old ticket. That's kind of cool. Has some writing on here, and that's neat. B95, $1. Can't get anything for $1 these days. And then here's another, got a lot of stamps. I tell you, I was able to get a lot of stuff for, with the gift certificate that they sent me. And here are some other words here, and then kind of a grid pattern as well. I like grid patterns. And then this one is just a brick pattern, which I really like that too. All right, and what's this? Decal. Oh, this is a little cutter paper cutter, and this is a deckled edge. And I don't know if you don't know a deckled edge, it's like on some like journals where the pages are sort of they're not frayed, but they're not torn, like they're not like cut, they're like torn, and that gives you that kind of nice deckled edge, which I got that, so hopefully that will work really nicely. I will test that out later. I got some pretty little scissors that are really, they're iridescent purple and green, and I have butterflies on them. Very pretty. And I got some more washi tape, and in the black and grays, and another, and some more of the pastels, and some in these cute little check pattern, gingham pattern. It's really cute, different colors. Oh, another one of these washi tapes. Again, it looks like more ledger. This has little birds on it, very cute, very fun. And then I got some markers. This is soft color, and these really pretty sherbet, again, colors. They had really bright, fun colors, which I liked. But then I also had some, you know, darker, more muted colors. These are like grays and purples, little greens. These might even be metallic. I'm not positive on that. It's all in Chinese, unfortunately, so I can't read it. Let's see here. Yeah, these are sort of, I know you probably can't see that. They're a little metallic-y. That's kind of fun. I like the nib on those, the fat nib. And oh, and it comes, they're double-sided, so it has a fine tip too. So that's fun. And then the last one is the pink series of these pens, and these are like the fine writers. Get this one open. The packaging is really nice, I gotta say. How does this open? Oh, here we go. Oh, and it stays in there. That's cute. Yeah, so these are more, you can see the ink in there. That's kind of fun. Cool. And these are very fine. Ooh, these are nice. Ooh, I like those. So, how fun. Anyway, so that is this. So this is journalsay.com. And I will put the link in there and below. And I believe if you put in Linda M. Peterson, you will get a discount. I think it's 6% off your order. And yeah, so this was a lot of fun. Hope you enjoyed it, and just stay tuned. I will be making a video on using these products and let you know how it's going. Hope you guys have a great creative day. See ya.